Breaking news. Hector Camacho has been shot by two thugs in Mexico. I know y'all saying, she's saying thugs. Yes, any person that would just come up to a man and shoot them and just leave them dead or die. It's two raggedy ass, tramp ass thugs. To the two people that shot Hector Camacho, this is a message for y'all bitches. I wish you all the worst luck you can get. I wish you all the diseases that can affect your nasty, stinking ass. Why would you do some shit like that? Do you not know how many people love this man? Do you not know what type of shit you putting through his family right now? So now, this man, they're trying to pull him off of life support because they are declaring him brain dead because of y'all losers. Again, boxer Hector Camacho is being declared brain dead, but they're going to want some more tests. So I want everybody that's a fan of this man, that love this man, that know this man, that even heard about this man, I want everybody to pull together and pray for this man and ask God to just lift him up and wake him up, please. Come on, y'all. I know it's a happy Thanksgiving for y'all, but for his family and for me right now, it's not too great. But anyway, I hope it worked out. I'm offended. Yeah, I am. The two fucking idiots will snuff out the life of a champion like that. What type of world do we live in when y'all fucking idiots is tearing up shit like that? Can't stand you. Peace, y'all.